Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel writemail.ai subscription. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to tell you, you need to compose an email and you need to send an email at this email address like info@writemail.ai, and you need to mention each and everything in the email like why you want to cancel your subscription. You need to enter your subscription starting date and subscription end date, but make sure you should like you should submit application before ending your subscription, otherwise they will charge you. Okay, and the refund process will, if you are applicable for refund, then that it will take approx 10 business days. Okay, so this is the method only by which you can cancel your right AI subscriptions. So if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.